No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Now I'm audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Okay, so turn on the video, student. Yes, Neha? Okay, Neha, okay. Harshit and Adya, turn on the video.
Ma'am, I want.
Harshit, still your camera is not working?
Yes, ma'am.
Adya, what about you?
Ma'am, working, ma'am.
Okay, then turn on. Yeah, fine. Fine, I can see Adya now. So today we will be learning something different. Have you ever heard the word assertion and reason?
Yes, ma'am.
Neha has heard. What about Harshit and Adya? Assertion,
Ma'am.
reason?
Yes,
No.
ma'am.
Okay,
No,
Harshit
ma'am.
is saying yes, Adya is saying no. Okay. Bhavesh has also joined. Let me ask him. Good evening, Bhavesh. Okay, he has left. Okay. So, Neha, can you explain what are they?
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Bhavesh.
Assertion is a statement. Assertion is a statement, and reason is they give a statement which explains it,
Very,
explains the assertion.
very good. So, two statements will be there. One is with the assertion, where a statement will be there. And the second statement is also a kind of statement where the explanation or the reason of the assertion will be there. So, I'll just explain you how it is connected and what it is. Is my screen visible to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So here,
Ma'am, should we write?
no, just listen first of all, and then I will be giving you questions based on that. Okay. So assertion, reasoning type questions are there. Assertion, reasoning, reasoning questions. Now, what happened? These are the questions where two statements will be there. One is by the name assertion, which stands for the capital A, and the second statement will be with the reason, which is denoted by the capital R. Okay, two kind of statements will be there. One is assertion and the second one is the reason. Assertion denoted by the capital R, and assertion denoted by the capital A, and reason denoted by the capital R. Now, what happened in this two kind of the statement? There will be two statements will be there. Like for example, now if I talk about the assertion, maybe in the assertion we have a statement that paper is not attracted towards a magnet. Okay, a statement is given in the assertion, and the statement says that paper is not attracted towards the magnet. Now, whereas in the reason, they said that paper is made up of magnetic material. Paper is made up of a magnetic material. Now you need to check two statements I have given. One is assertion, one is the reason of that. Now you need to check whether both the statements are correct or not. So now tell me, the first one, assertion statement, paper is not attracted towards a magnet. Is this statement correct or wrong?
Yes, ma'am, it's correct. It's true. Correct, ma'am.
Correct. It is
And it's true.
Correct. Now, in the reason, they have said that paper is made up of magnetic material. Is this correct or wrong?
Wrong, ma'am.
Wrong. Okay. Now, like the MCQs, for these questions also, four options will be there. The first option says that both A and R are true. What do you mean by A and R here?
Assertion and reason.
Correct. So both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. So this is the first option where both A and R will be true, and R means reason. Reason, whatever reason they have given, is the explanation of the A. Fine. Now in the second one, they says that both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. So in the first one, they says that both are correct and the reason is also correct. Okay. And the second one, both are correct, but reason what is given is not explaining that. In the third option, they says that A is true and or but R is false. So assertion is true, but the reason is false. And the last statement, it says that A is false, but R is true. R is true. Now, by seeing this options, by seeing this two statement, you said the statement one is correct, whereas the statement two is wrong. Now, according to this, what will be the correct answer? A, B, C, D.
Ma'am, C.
Very good. So the correct answer for this is C, where assertion is true but reason is false. See, you can see assertion here given, which is paper is not attracted towards a magnet. It is correct, which is true. Now, reason what they have given that paper is magnetic material, made up of magnetic material, it is wrong. And hence, what we can say that the answer is C. Hence, answer is C. Why answer is C? Because here the assertion is correct, but the reason what is given is wrong. Am I clear, children, with this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Adya, Bhavyesh, Neha.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, what I'll be doing, I'll be giving you such questions now for the practice, and you will be doing it. Okay. And you should tell me why it is, how it is, and what is the correct answer for it. So, I think I've uploaded already on the Wise app. Just go to the Wise app. Open the Wise app, children.
Ma'am, opened.
Go to the content. Open
Ma'am,
content. Under the content, there will be the folder by the name physics. By the name physics folder will be there. In that, scroll it down, you will be able to see the file name as Fun with Magnets Assertion Reason. Have you got it, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Everybody has got it?
No, ma'am. 1 minute, I'm checking.
No, ma'am.
No,
Ma'am,
you
is
haven't.
it in resource?
Yeah, under the resource also you can get it directly.
Ma'am, I got it.
Okay. Bhavesh has got it. What about Harshit? Have you got it, Harshit?
No, ma'am. I'm seeing.
No. Go to the resources also there by the name Fun with Magnets, Assertion, Reason. You will be able to find it. Adya, have you got it?
Yes, ma'am. Got it.
Okay.
Ma'am, I'm
Adya, how
seeing
many?
my phone.
Okay, just check it. Adya, how many questions are there in that file?
Ma'am, 1 minute, check.
Tell me how many are there?
Ma'am, there are 30 questions.
Correct, right, Adya. So you are on the correct file. So 30 questions are there. So you all should now do the 5 questions. First of all, we will be doing 5 questions. We will be discussing the answers of those. And then next 5, then the discussion of those answers. Okay. So start doing question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, ma'am.
I cannot do the questions. I don't track it.
Okay, no problem, Neha. Neha, but at least you can open the paper and you can go through it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I got it.
Okay, Harshit. Okay. So start doing question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 so that we can discuss the answers. And children, these kind of questions are very, very, very important actually. Okay. When you come to your higher grades like 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, they are very, very useful. So you should know how to, write the answer, how to attempt this kind of questions and all.
Ma'am, I did the
Done with the.
question.
Okay, very good. So we'll
Ma'am,
have.
we need to write options also.
No, 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 Bhavesh, just write the answer, okay? A, B, C, D, whichever the correct you feel, you should write that.
Ma'am, no question.
No questions, only answers. Because already the questions are already there on the screen, right? So no need to write them.
Okay, ma'am.
Adya, have you done those 5, starting 5 questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Bhavesh, have you done those?
Ma'am, but I didn't understand the 5th question, ma'am.
Yes,
No
ma'am, I was done.
problem. No problem. I'll explain you that. I'll explain you.
Okay.
Okay, shall we start then now?
Ma'am, I didn't understand the second question, ma'am.
Okay. I'll explain you that. We'll start with the question number 1, first of all. Adya, you should read the question and tell me the answer.
Okay,
The question number 1. Tell me.
Rohan has created a boat which gets attracted towards the magnet. Reason Rohan's boat is made up of magnetic material.
Okay, what is the answer according to you, Adya?
Ma'am, A.
Okay.
Both.
Harshit. Okay. Harshit, what about your answer?
Ma'am, I also got A.
By Bhavesh, how much, what is the answer according to you?
Ma'am, which one?
A, the first one.
Ma'am, A.
Okay. Neha, according to you, what will be the answer for the first one?
Ma'am, A.
Okay, so you all are correct. The answer is A. So both the statements, whatever is given there, the first statement says that Rohan has created a boat which will be attracted, which get attracted towards a magnet. Okay, and the reason they have mentioned that since the Rohan's boat is made up of magnetic material, the attraction happens. So which is true. So that is why the answer A is correct. Now moving forward for the question number 2, Bhavesh, you should answer. Read the question and then answer.
Okay, ma'am. Assertion. Rohan has created a boat which is not affected by the magnet. Reason. Boat is made up of non-magnetic material.
Answer.
Answer, I think it's A.
Okay. Adya, what is your answer for the second one?
Ma'am, same A.
Okay. And Harshit, I think you had a doubt for that.
Yes, ma'am. I think that it's B.
Why?
Okay. Neha, according
reason?
to you, what should be the answer?
Ma'am, A.
A. See, I'll explain, Harshit, to you what they are saying in the assertion statement. They
Ma'am,
says
I
that.
didn't understand the meaning of affected.
Yeah, I'm explaining that only. So in the assertion statement, what they said is that Rohan has created a boat. So he has made a boat which is not affected by the magnet. It means the magnet are present around that boat. They are not bother about it. They do not get attracted. They do not get the properties of that does not change it. Okay, the property of the magnet does not change. So in the reason they say is that boat is made up of non-magnetic material. So since the boat is made up of the material which is non-magnetic, that is the reason that it is not affected by the magnet. If it was made up of magnet, it would have attracted actually. But since it is not made up of, that is the reason they are not affected by the magnet. So both the statements are correct in this case. Okay, Harshit, now third one goes to you. Read the question and send the answer.
Ma'am, the
I
question
think
is
third
what,
one we have already done it, right?
ma'am?
Okay, fourth one you can go, Harshit.
Fourth one assertion is that a compass can be used to find a east-west direction at any place. Reason, rubber is a magnetic material.
No.
No. So what is the answer, Harshit?
Ma'am,
B, B, B,
ma'am.
B, B. B, 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 B.
Bhavesh, I have heard your answer, BBB.
Ma'am, C,
Adya,
ma'am.
very good,
Ma'am, I
Harshit.
think
The answer is C. Bhavesh, it is not B. Rubber is a magnetic material, Bhavesh.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, in B it says it's not. Ma'am, R is not the correct explanation of A.
Correct. So in the reason, what they said, rubber is a magnetic material. So that statement itself is wrong, actually. Right? The statement itself is wrong. Rubber is not, if they have given that rubber is not a magnetic material, in that case, it will be B answer. But they have given very clearly that rubber is a magnetic material, which is wrong. Full statement itself is wrong. So that is the reason the answer is C.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, the question number 5. Neha, can you read and tell the answer for question number 5?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Assertion. A cylindrical magnet has only one pole. Reason: similar poles of a magnet repel each other.
Hmm.
Ma'am,
What is the answer?
A is for it's D.
Very good, Neha. It's D. How many of you have written the answer D for the fifth one?
Ma'am, I wrote ma'am D.
Very good, Harshit. Adya, what you have written for the fifth one?
Ma'am, answer D.
Ma'am, I have
Okay,
told
good,
you that
Bhavesh.
I didn't understand this fifth question.
Okay, okay, Adya. I'll explain this fifth one. In the assertion statement, they said that a cylindrical magnet has only one pole. So, which is wrong actually. A cylindrical magnet is a kind of bar magnet only which has the two poles. Okay, so the assertion statement is wrong. Whereas in the reason, they said that the same kind of poles will be repelling, which is true, right? So, hence the answer is D. So, assertion is false, but the reason is true. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now children, to go for the question number 6 to 10.
Ma'am, we didn't discuss number 3.
3 we have already done actually, Neha. I have explained while the explanation time. It's same.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, others also have done it. Are they done?
No, ma'am. Last question, 1 minute.
Okay. So question number 6. Harshit, can you tell question number 6? Answer.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, the question is, bar magnets always point towards north-south direction. Reason, artificial magnets were discovered in Greece.
Answer.
Ma'am, I think it's B.
Okay. Adya, your
Ma'am,
answer?
B.
B. Okay. What about Bhavesh, your answer?
Ma'am, B.
Okay. Neha, your answer?
C.
Why Neha, your answer is C?
Because not art, artificial magnets were discovered in Greece, ma'am. Natural magnets were.
Very good, Neha. Children, actually, the natural magnets were discovered in Greece and artificial magnets were discovered in China. All right, so keep in mind the artificial magnets were discovered in China. So that is the reason the answer will be C. Assertion is true, whereas the reason is false. Clear, Adya, Bhavesh, and Harshit?
Ma'am, but it's not a good explanation, right?
But the reason itself is wrong. Bhavesh, when the reason is right, but the explanation is good, not good, we can say the option B. But here in this case, the reason statement, the statement which is given, the reason it's wrong itself.
Okay, ma'am.
Question number 7, Bhavesh. Read and say the answer.
Assertion. A compass always shows north and south direction. By keeping this as a reference, we can always find east and west directions also. Similar poles of a magnet repel each other. Ma'am, I
So,
say it's B.
okay.
Ma'am, I say it's B.
Okay, all right. Harshit, what is your answer for the question number 7?
Ma'am, B.
Okay, Adya, your answer?
Ma'am, B.
Neha, your answer for question number 7?
Ma'am, B.
Okay, so you all are correct. The answer is B. See, Bhavesh, now you can see in this clear, both the statement. Both the statement is correct. But whatever the reason is given there, that is not the correct explanation. That is why we can say that both assertion and reason statement are true, but reason which is given here is not the correct explanation of the assertion. And hence the answer is the B. Question number 8, Adya. Adya, question number 8.
Yes, ma'am. Association, an old
Sefer.
shepherd who lived in a Crete island named Magnus discovered magnet. Reason, the country in which his magnet was discovered was Greece. My answer is,
What is your answer?
ma'am, I think A. I think so.
Okay, Harshit, your answer for the question number 8?
Ma'am, I think it's D.
Okay, Bhavesh, your answer for question number 8.
Ma'am, B, I guess.
Neha, your answer for 8.
Ma'am, D.
Correct. So B is the correct answer. See what they have said. They have said that old shepherd who was living in the Thailand, he has discovered the magnet from the magnets. Whereas the reason was the country in which the magnet was discovered was Greece. So actually both the statement are correct that magnet were discovered in the Greece, but it is not related to the first statement. So that is why the reason is B. The answer is B. Question number 9, Neha.
Assertion. Magnetite was discovered around 800 BC. Reason. Magnetite like magnet magnetite like materials are called magnets now.
Hmm.
Ma'am, B.
B. Right. So the answer is B. So both the statements are correct, but whatever the reason they have given, it is not related with the assertion. So hence the answer is B. Question number 10, Harshit.
Ma'am,
Question number 10.
assertion. Magnetite like materials are called non-magnets now. Reason. Substances which are not attracted by are not attracted by magnets are called non-magnetic substances.
So answer.
Ma'am, I think it's D.
Okay, correct. So the answer for the 10th one is D. Here they says that the magnetite is a material which is called as non-magnet, which is wrong actually. So magnetite, the word itself says that it is a magnet. Okay. So assertion statement is wrong and the reason statement is correct. That is why the answer is D. So assertion is false, but the reason is true. Okay, now solve question number 11 to 15.
Ma'am, I have a doubt in 13 and 14.
13 and 14. Let me see what are they. In the question number. Okay, I'll give you the hint, Harshit, for this. Here, the meaning I'll explain you. Soft iron is basically a kind of the substances where they can lose the magnetism easily. Fine. So we can magnetize them, we can demagnetize them easily. And such kind of substances which has these properties to attract and to demagnetize, they are called as soft iron. So now I think easily you will get to know the answer by this hint.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Done, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, over, ma'am.
Okay. So here, question number 11, I think, right? Okay, directly you can say the answer since the time is less. Question number 11 answer, Bhavesh, what you have written for the 11th one?
Ma'am, 11th one, I wrote A, ma'am.
So rubber, cotton, plastic, wood, but
Ma'am, I got B.
it is B actually. It is B.
Yes, ma'am. I also
Ma'am,
got.
they both are same, right?
Let me wait. I'll just tell you what is that. So rubber, cotton, plastic, wood, button, clothes are called as the non-magnetic substances. Now wood, glass, chalk, pencil, cup of tea, book, rubber are also non-magnetic. Now what happened in both the things are correct, right? Both the statements are correct. They have given in both the statements the examples of it. So that is why the answer is B. That both are correct, but explanation given there is incorrect, right? In the reason, if they would have mentioned that they do not attract each other, they do not get attracted, in that case the answer will be A. But since no explanation is given, that is why the answer is B. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Are there answer for the 12th?
Ma'am, D.
No, it is B. B.
Ma'am, I also got B.
B. Yeah, correct. B. Question number 13, Neha.
Ma'am, C.
Correct. 13th one is A. The 14th one, Bhavesh.
Ma'am, D.
A. 14th one is A. Steel is used to make permanent magnets. Yes. Why it is used? Because it does not lose its magnetism. Okay. So steel does not lose the magnetism. That is the reason it is used to make the permanent magnet. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
Adya, for question number 15, answer.
Ma'am, B.
Correct. P is the correct answer for the 15th one. Okay, children. So we are done with the 15th question and remaining 15 are the homework for you. So make sure that you complete it. And in the next class, whenever we will be discussing the answers of these. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So did you
Okay,
like
ma'am.
this kind of questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Right. So
ma'am.
these are actually this kind of questions will open up your brain. So you will start thinking in the different angles. Like we have triangles or other angles also, right? In that way, also you will start thinking by these type of questions. Like Bhavesh has so many, he wasn't able to correlate, but slowly and gradually he is able to understand now. He is able to identify. So once you practice such kind of questions, in that case, you will become, perfectly all right in that. Okay, children. So we'll meet you in the next class.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice
Bye
day.
bye. Thank you. Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye. Bye.